Welcome back to the science lesson. Hope you are doing well and have done your exam quite well. Today we will learn chapter House and Clothes. Chapter House and Clothes. Page number 52. So please take out your book. Let us start. Today we will discuss chapter 7, which is named House and Clothes. We will need houses to live in. Houses protect us from both weather and enemies. People build different types of houses. Houses protect us from thieves, heat, rain, cold, wind, and animals. It also protects us from dust, dirt, and various types of insects. Without a house, human beings cannot live properly, and we will be exposed to various kinds of dangers. In the beginning, the early humans lived in caves, but later on, people have built different types of houses to suit their needs. People in the villages still use mud to build their houses, while people in the cities build houses with cement, rocks, or stones. People make different types of houses. Some houses are made of bricks, cement, iron, and steel. These houses cannot be moved from one place to another. They are strong and last long. These are mostly found in towns and cities. Such houses are called pakka or permanent houses. The other type of house is the kacha house, which is mostly made of wood, mud, straw, clay, and bamboo. These houses are mostly found in villages and are called huts. They are like temporary houses because they are neither strong nor long lasting. They can be broken down by strong storms and even by thieves. However, they can be rebuilt easily. There are other kinds of houses which are temporary, which can be moved from one place to another. People live in these houses and shift different places. Some of these houses are caravans, tents, houseboats, etc. A caravan is a moving house. Gypsies and people who work in a circus live in these houses. Tents are usually made of canvas or cloth. It is used by campers and soldiers. Tents can also be moved from place to place. Houseboat is a wooden house on a boat. It floats on water and is found in the lakes of Kashmir and Kerala. There are other type of houses which are called spatial houses. Here we can talk about two types. One is igloo, which is built on snow and is found in very cold places like the Arctics. Usually, Eskimos live in igloos. On the other hand, there is a stilt house, which is made of long pieces of wood or metal. It is found in places where it rains very heavily and floods occur. These are made high above the ground and therefore water cannot enter and wash away these houses. These houses are mostly made in the hilly regions with sloping roofs so that snow and water can slide down. So, a good house should be clean and airy, and there should be a good amount of sunlight and plants surrounding it. Children, do you love to wear different types of clothes? Did you know that we wear clothes according to the weather? They protect us from heat, cold, insects, etc. Clothes make us look smart, and we should always wear thin and well ironed clothes. You know, we wear different types of clothes during different types of seasons. For example, in summer, we have a very hot climate. We always sweat, especially in those areas where there is a lot of humidity, or in other words, the air is full of moisture. We feel very uncomfortable. It is good to wear cotton clothes in summer because cotton clothes soak up sweat from our body and keep us cool on a hot day. Cotton clothes are lighter and it lets the air pass through our body to make us comfortable. On the other hand, in winter, when the weather is cold, we need to keep our body warm. So, we should wear thick clothes made of wool, which keeps us warm. These clothes made of wool. Do not allow the cold air to pass through them and thus keeps us comfortable. In places where it is very cold and snowfall is common, people need to wear layers of clothes so that the air trapped inside the layers will help the body to keep warm. In India, in very cool and freezing places like Kashmir, it is said that people do wear a pot of burning coal called kangri underneath the gown to keep the body warm. Children, I'm sure you all know what we like to wear in the rainy season. Do you like rains? Or does rainy season appear too messy and disturbing? I'm sure you all have experiences of a rainy day. You have definitely had occasions when you had to go to school when it is raining. So we all know that we use either umbrella or a raincoat to protect us from rain so that our clothes do not get wet. Also, this protection is needed so that we do not catch cold on a rainy day. Rainy season can also become very humid and uncomfortable sometimes. So it is always good to wear thin clothes or cotton clothes. Of course, when we have cold, we should protect ourselves with some warm clothes. Children, you know that we are in the later part of the rainy season nowadays, and we should take all precautions at this time of change of seasons not to get sick. So, I am sure you have now properly understood what to wear in which season. Now, my dear students, please take out your pencil and underline the spellings in your textbook. Weather, weather, changes, changes, human, human, build, build, protect, protect, dust, dust, different, different, bricks, bricks, cement, cement, iron, iron, steel, steel, Permanent houses. Permanent houses. Towns. Towns. Kacha houses. Kacha houses. Straw. Straw. Clay. Clay. Villages. Villages. Rebuild. Rebuild. Huts. Huts. Temporary houses. Temporary houses. Gypsies. Gypsies. Caravan. Caravan. Tent. Tent. Houseboat. Houseboat. Igloo. Igloo. Eskimos. Eskimos. Stilt. Stilt. Metal. Metal. Floods. Floods. Common. Common. Ground. Ground. Sloping roofs. Sloping roofs. Slide down. Slide down. Sunlight. Sunlight. Clothes. Clothes. Raincoat. Raincoat. Winter. Winter. Warm. Warm. Waterproof. Waterproof. Umbrella. Umbrella. Now we will revise the chapter through the following points. Number 1. We need a house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wind, thieves, and animals. Number 2. People make different types of houses to suit their needs. Number 3. Flats, bungalows, huts, igloos, caravans, and houseboats are some types of houses. Number 4. A good house should be clean and airy. Number 5. We wear clothes according to the weather. Number 6. We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain, dust, and insects. Up to here for today. Stay safe. Thank you, students.